click on IP standard. Here it's going to open another interface that is called Busy. So when you open the Busy, you can see the version, you can see the Busy opened. Then you click OK. Then you come to Open Company. You click on it. Then you see IP Standard Nigeria Limited. Then you click Select. Now when you get to this point, it allows you to enter the username and password. Username is admin and the password is admin. Then when you're done, you click on OK. Automatically it will open your page and give you this thought of the day. Then you can close the thought of the day. So basically there is no information, that is, there is no transaction. So if you come to masters, you see account. For now, account here simply means your ledgers. For now there is no ledger, there is no customer ledger. That is what it means. For now you don't have what we call ledgers. So if you click on the list of ledgers, you will see it is empty. So standard format, all accounts. You can see these are all the ledgers we have. Basically the ledger here are the account ledgers. There is no customer ledger here. There is no customer details here. Okay, these are just your account ledger. So you can click X to close, close, and close. The only thing you have in this interface that is active is the item listing. So if you click on the list, you click on screen, you click on standard format, all items. You see all the items are tied to master series. What we call master series, they are all in groups. So you have all group, you have Abuja series, you have Ibadan series, you have Kaduna series, you have Kano series, and you have Lagos series. So if I pick the all because I am the admin, it simply means I want to view all the material center or all the series. And I click OK. So if you look at it, you will see that you have all the items here. These are all the items as it is specified here. So these are all your items. Now these items are tied to what we call parent group. And the parent group here, according to the Excel sheet that was sent to me, we have the 2-wheeler, and we have the 4-wheeler, and we have the 3-wheeler. So in total, you have opening stock, balance assets. The time I got this information, 633 stock items. All items in units are in pieces. They are all under a parent group. They are all under their alias name is specified as what we have here, and then these are the names of the items. So if I click on close here, it simply means that I have all my items here for each of the locations set up. So if I want to perform a transaction, I click on transaction, I click on sales, either a sales order or a purchase order is specified, or I go straight to sales and click on add sales. So when I come to click on add sales, because I am the admin, that is why I could see Abuja, Ibadan, Kaduna, Kano, and Ojota. So if I am the account person managing Abuja, I will see Abuja. Then I will pick the date, I will pick my material center. So if I'm in Abuja, Abuja can only see Abuja transaction. Under Abuja, we have locations, the material centers. So the material centers could be Bauchi, Gwagwalada, Ibadan, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, and Kubwa. So the man in Abuja can be able to manage all of these locations. So this material center here simply means that if I want to post items if I'm the management and the account person in Abuja, I should be able to post what mean I have sold. Okay, so where will I post it? I will not post it in any of this material center, only material center that is tied to Abuja, which is Mina. So if Mina, I'm the one in Abuja managing Mina, I will be able to post for Mina. If I'm the one in Mobi, if I'm the one in Abuja managing Mobi, I should be able to post here. You know, it all depends on where the material center is. But actually, it's because I'm the admin, that's why I could see all of these material centers. So at this point, I can now perform myself. So if I'm performing sales for Mina, I will just set up the narration, put up the item. Now the location field, of course, you know, it will not be left. Will be to ask me for the location. Where am I going to perform these sales? Okay. So if I decide where I want to perform the sales, I can decide to perform the sales location, maybe Mina, like I told you. Okay, so this field actually is for the voucher printing, so it will print out the location where this invoice is coming from. So I could trace all my transaction to a particular location or through a particular material center, and that is why I have this open option field called location, which is Mina. So if I'm the one posting, I will have to specify the location where this invoice is coming out from. Then I can now start putting up my item. So if I want to pick an item, I can pick this item quantity. I can pick five pieces. Then of course, because there is no stock, it will ask me, would you like to continue? If I say yes, I will continue. If I say no, I will stop performing the transaction. And of course, once you see item negative stock, it simply means the item is not available in your store. So I don't want to continue this transaction, so I'll quit. Now, if you come to your balance sheet, you can see your final results, you can see your trial balance, you can see your account books, you can see your stock status, you can see your inventory books, you can see your inventory summaries, quotation, and the likes of others. So this is how your setup is configured. However, there are still other configurations. So, but then those can actually be done when we have concluded this process. So, thank you, and if there's anything, you can let me know.